No. What's that? What's that? Parang gusto niyang kunin yung picture kasi sa picture lang siya palaging tingnan mo. Oh, what's that? Oh, lagot. Sinisira na. Oh, check it out. What's that? Oh, kukunin na naman. Are you gonna get the picture? Oh, no! Waki, no, don't do that. No.
Gusto niyang kainin.
Stop na. That's not food. Look, what's that? Oh, starfish. Star. You get the star? You want to eat that? That's not food. Ew, no. That's not food. No. Hi. Next. Birds. Adali, next page. Okay, we'll go to the next page now. No. Waki, no. Waki, no.
That's not chicken.
Hey, what's that? Cactus. Hi, and what is this? This is a camel. Ay, siguro internet yun.
Sabi mo, Robin.
Hindi.
Buto, telepono.
Teka, naka-video ko.
Flowers. Waki, oh.
Okay.
Waki, oh. Who's calling Waki? Hi. Oh, what's that? Christmas tree. Pine trees. These are pine trees. Oh, tiger. Look at the tiger. Waki, look at the tiger, oh. Tiger. How do mammals differ from other animals? Look at a Siberian tiger.
Siberian tiger?
Oh, ayun yung Siberian tiger. Oh, I'm sleepy. What's this ito eel to eh. Diba? Eel. Ay, hindi, leech pala. Oh, leech. This is a leech. Is that science and technology? Ano to? Ay, just hindi na natin to. Huwag na to. Mahirap to. Ay, look ko. Ano ba to? Hindi natin alam. How does an electric motor work? Ano ba naman yan? Look at this one. Waterfalls. Look at this one. Water. Oh, there are lots of water here. Oh. Water. What's that? Oh? Ano tong sila? Suso. Snail. Diba snail yung suso? Snail. The prehistoric world. Sige na, eat that. You eat that. You want to eat? Eat. Sige, baka gusto niya kainin. What do you want to do with that? Halika na.